Hello students, you are welcome to this video. Here we are going to discuss about multiplication of a matrix. Mainly there are two forms of multiplication in matrix. One is multiplication by scalar and multiplication of two matrices. In this video, we discuss about multiplication by a scalar or scalar multiplication. Here scalar means any number or a real number. So scalar multiplication means the product of a real number and a matrix. So here each entry in the matrix is multiplied by the given scalar. So k scalar means here as an example k is the scalar. K means any number. It may be 5, 6 or 7 like that. So 6 into or k into the given matrix. So it means k into each entry in the matrix. So that it is scalar multiplication. For example, if you want to find 5a, here a is the name of the matrix, 5 is the scalar. So 5 into a. So a is equal to, it's a 3 into 3 matrix as given here. So if you want to find 5 into a, it will be, we need to multiply 5 with each entry of given matrix A. So 5 into a is equal to 5 into minus 5, then 5 into 2, then 5 into 0. So just like that, 5 into 7, 5 into minus 3, then 5 into 4, 5 into minus 1, 5 into 3, then 5 into 2. Then find the product. 5a is equal to 5 into minus 5, we know it is minus 25, then 10, then 0, then like this 35 minus 15, 20, minus 5, 15, 10. So this is called as scalar multiplication. Then look at another example. Here it is another one. Find minus 3b. So minus 3 is the scalar here and b is the matrix. 812 minus 567. So minus 3 into b is equal to, so as we know, we need to multiply with each entry of the b with minus 3. So minus 3 into 8, minus 3 into 1, minus 3 into 2, like minus 3 into minus 5, minus 3 into 6, minus 3 into 7. So the answer will be, so minus 3 into 8, we know it is minus 24, minus 3 into 1, minus 3, like that. Minus 6, 15, minus 18, minus 21. So look at another one. Find minus 2d plus 5f. This is the question. So here we need to find two scalar multiplication and we need to take the sum of both the answers. So minus 2d, minus 2 with the d and 5f, 5 into matrix f. So two matrices are given here, d and f. So matrix in the order of 2, 6 minus 2, 3, 7. Just like F matrix 1 minus 2 minus 3 4. So first we need to find minus 2 into D. We know minus 2 into matrix D is equal to minus 2 into 6 minus 2 into minus 2, then minus 2 into 3 minus 2 into 7. So take the product, minus 2D is equal to minus 12 minus 2 into 6 minus 12 minus 2 into minus 2. So it is plus 4 minus 2 into 3 minus 6. So like that. Then we need to find the second one, 5f. So minus 2d is over, then minus 5 plus 5f. So 5f. 5 into matrix f. So 5 into 1, 5 into minus 2, 5 into minus 3, 5 into 4. So the answer is 5f will be 5 minus 10 minus 15 20. So both the matrices are found. Then we need to the addition of the answers. Addition of minus 2d and 5f. So it is like this, minus 2d plus 5f. Addition we know it is the sum of corresponding elements. So it is better to write the both the matrices together. So the first matrix it is minus 2d, it is minus 12, 4, minus 6, minus 14. Then plus 5f, it is 5, minus 10, minus 15, 20. So take the sum. The answer will be the sum of minus 2d plus 5f equal to minus 12 plus 5. The sum of corresponding elements. Then 4 plus minus 10. Then minus 6 plus minus 15. Minus 14 plus 20. So take the sum equal to minus 7. So that is minus 12 plus 5. Take the difference and put the sign of the bigger one. This we know we already discussed in the part of addition of matrices. 4 plus minus 10, that is minus 6. Minus 6 plus minus 15. Both the numbers are negative. So take the sum and put the negative sign. So all these are about scalar multiplication. Then in next video we will meet again with multiplication of two matrices. Okay. Thank you. Thank you all.